students, welcome to Ajaksha Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss problems on measurement part 1. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. First one. Which one of the following is the smallest unit? First option they given as millimeter, Armstrong, Fermi, meter. So among these four, which is the smallest unit? Fermi is the smallest unit. Millimeter 10 to the power of minus 3, Armstrong 10 to the power of minus 10 meters, and 1 Fermi is equals to 10 to the power of minus 15 meters. So Fermi is the smallest unit. 1 Fermi is equals to 10 to the power of minus 15 meters. Okay, so Fermi is the smallest unit. Next, very large distances such as the distance of a planet or a star from the earth can be measured by spectrograph, Millikan's oil drop method, parallax method, all of these. So here in these four options, which is the method to measure the distance of a planet or a star from the earth? So parallax method. So parallax method is used to measure distance of a planet or a star from the earth. Okay, third option is correct. Parallax method is the correct answer. Next, length cannot be measured by Fermi, Debye, micron, light year. So length cannot be measured by Debye. This by Debye we cannot measure the length. Second option is correct. Next, which of the following is not the unit of time? Microsecond, leap year, lunar month, parallactic second. So here in these four options, which of the following is not the unit of time? Parallactic second. Parallactic second is the unit of distance. This is the unit of distance. Parallactic second is the unit of distance. So that's why it is not the unit of time. Microsecond, leap year, lunar month is considered by using the unit of time. Here only the option, fourth option, parallactic seconds is the unit of distance. Okay, next, temperature can be measured as derived quantity in terms of length and mass, mass and time, length, mass and time, none of these. So temperature can be measured as derived quantity in terms of mass and time. Okay, next, the bill of electric consumption is based on the measurements of current, voltage, wattage, none of this. So here the bill of electrical consumption is based on the measurements of wattage. Okay, next, unit of relative density is kilogram meter cube, kilogram per meter cube, kilogram per centimeter cube, no units. Relative density has no units because it is a pure ratio. Relative density has no units because it is pure ratio. Okay, fourth option is correct. Next, volt per meter is the unit of potential, electric field intensity, electric current, electric potential energy. Here, volt per meter or voltmeter inverse is the unit of electric field intensity. So, volt per meter is the unit of electric field intensity. Okay, next. At what temperature will the Fahrenheit scale have the double reading as that of Celsius? 260 degree centigrade, 240 degree centigrade, 160 degree centigrade, 370 degree centigrade. Now let us discuss. Here at 160 degree centigrade, Fahrenheit scale have double reading as that of Celsius. Here the relation between Celsius and Fahrenheit is, now let us discuss its solution, that is C by 5 is equals to F minus 32 by 9. Here in the place of F we are writing double, so that is 2C minus 32 by 9. Now taking cross multiplication, here 9C is equals to 5 2s are 10C minus 32 into 5. So here 9C, here we are going that minus 10C is equals to minus 160. So C minus 10C is equals to minus 160 degree centigrade. So here minus minus gets cancels, C is equals to 160 degree centigrade. So at 160 degree centigrade temperature, Fahrenheit scale have the double reading as that of Celsius. Okay, the answer is 160 degree centigrade. So third option is correct. Okay, next, which is not the unit of force? Pound, dyne, joule, Newton. So here among these four options, which is not the unit of force? Joule is not the unit of force. Joule is the unit of work and energy. Okay, so joule is not the unit of force. Next, which one of the following pairs have same unit? Work and energy, angular acceleration and linear acceleration, gravitational force and electromotive force? None of these. So here among these four options, which one of the following pairs have same unit? Work and energy. So work and energy have the same unit. These two pairs have same units. Okay, next, the unit of measuring per unit time of a moving body is meters per second, kilogram meter per second, Newton, Newton meter square per second square. So here the unit of measuring per unit time of a moving body is Newton. Here Newton is the unit of measuring per unit time of a moving body. Momentum per unit time is the force and unit of force is Newton. So the third option is correct. Momentum per unit time is the force and unit of force is Newton. So third option is correct. Next, momentum has the same unit as that of impulse, torque, momentum of momentum couple. Here momentum has the same unit as that of impulse. So impulse and momentum has the same units. These two are having the same units, momentum as well as impulse. So momentum has the same unit as that of impulse. Okay, first option is correct. Next, 14th one. Which of the following pairs have different units? Force and weight, work and torque, weight and mass, stress and pressure. Here, which of the following pairs have different units? Nothing but weight and mass have different units. Okay. Next, SI unit of impulse is kilogram meter per second, kilogram meter per second square, kilogram second per meter, Newton second. Here SI unit of impulse is kilogram meters by second. First option is correct because impulse is equals to, the formula for impulse is force into time. The product of force and time gives impulse. So impulse is equals to force into time. The unit of force is kilogram meters per second square and the unit of time second. So kilogram meter per second square, here again into time, s is the unit of time, second, 1s cancel. So impulse unit kilogram meters per second. So the SI unit of impulse is kilogram meters by second. Okay, first option is correct. Thanks for watching this video.